Hey guys, my name's Dora. Today I'm going to show you several different examples of leaves. So grab your favorite foliage colors and let's get started. This first leaf is very easy. It sort of reminds me of grass. Here I am painting a set of peony leaves. Some artists wait until the leaf is dry to paint in veins, but I prefer to use a small pointed stylus. This method is easier, quicker, and personally, I feel like it looks much better. Quick tip though, the leaf must be wet in order for the score to show up. Vary the shape and size of your leaves for a more interesting look. Here I am painting a sprig of sage leaves. Isn't that such a pretty color? Remember to vary tones and shades for contrast and added interest. Here I am painting willow eucalyptus leaves, or feather eucalyptus. They are gray, blue, green in color and have a nice aromatic scent. The leaves are long and skinny, and they are also very limber, flexible, and graceful. This is why I paint them with a curvy stem and bending and loose, almost whimsical leaves. This one is very similar to the willow eucalyptus leaves, but it's not the same. This one doesn't have the graceful movement. The leaves here are shorter and a bit more stiff. Here, I am not painting anything specific, but these leaves remind me of tarragon or maybe even palm leaves. here, I am painting the iconic silver dollar eucalyptus leaves with that beautiful mint green color. As you can see, I've already painted a set. However, the green was too dark and I couldn't get the contrast that I was hoping for, so I started over. This time with a very light and desaturated mint color. Now, when I go back in to add in and darken the foliage, the leaves and foliage will be highly contrasted, making these leaves much more interesting and appealing. No leaf tutorial would be complete without a set of regular green leaves. These leaves are very loose. As you can see, I paint most of them with just 2 strokes. Again, notice how with each leaf I exaggerate the contrast in the different tones. The tones go from super pale light to so dark it's almost black. I am sad though that I didn't get a chance to touch a few leaves together and let some of the color bleed. Here's the last leaf set. I had to include a set of leaves with multi-pointy edges, so I chose poppy leaves. I'll admit they're not my favorite. They do take a bit of time to paint. You can't just rush through them. But if you've never painted this before, I am going to teach you. And I'm going to explain it so well that you're going to find painting it very easy. So the key is to make upside down triangles. And now that I've said that, you'll see them everywhere. To start, I find it easier to paint the stem where the leaf is going to be. From there, paint a central point, then add points on both sides. Fill in the points, and as you paint downwards, taper the sides so that the leaf center gets skinnier. From there, you may add another set of points. If so, make them wider than the previous points, and again, the base of the leaf should look like an upside down triangle. So now we have a complete leaf set, which is a central leaf and 2 side leaves. But I'm going to paint another set of leaves, so the next set will be a bit longer. As you can see from this leaf, even though I messed it up and the points are extremely uneven, as long as your base, remember upside down triangle, is centered, the leaf will look fine. As you can see here, your points do not have to be in pairs, nor need be perfect and lined up. The key is to make sure that the base is the same through the entire leaf and that it tapers into an upside down triangle. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If this video helped or inspired you, you should subscribe. Don't miss out on weekly creative watercolor videos, ideas, and inspiration.